In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a progress bar in Notion as part of your habit tracker setup. This is a great way to visually track your progress and make sure you're on top of your goals and tasks. So, grab your cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive right in. To start off, open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Click on Log In if you see it. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Notion homepage. Now, Notion serves as a connected workspace for wikis, docs, and projects, making it a versatile tool for both personal and professional tasks. On this homepage, you have access to all your existing projects and documents, as well as options to create new ones. Now, let's find the right elements for our progress bar. In the search bar, input Progress Bar. This search will help you locate templates and ideas that others have found handy, so you don't have to start from scratch. After running your search, you'll be presented with several template options related to progress bars in Notion. Take a moment to browse through these selections and choose a template that aligns best with your needs and style preferences. Once you've decided on a suitable template, click on it to open more details. The next thing you want to do is click on the Add button. This step is crucial as it incorporates the selected template into your Notion workspace, allowing you to tweak and customize it according to your unique requirements. Now that you've added the template to your workspace, let's move on to the exciting part, editing and personalizing it. Open the template and make it your own. Navigate through the different sections and see what areas need changes, be it the colors, the layout, or the specific habits you want to track. Tailor these details to reflect the progress you wish to monitor. Whether it's working out more, reading daily, or any other habit you're committed to developing, editing might take a bit of trial and error, and that's perfectly okay. You want the final design to not only be functional, but also visually pleasing to inspire consistent use. So, play around with different options and refine them until you're satisfied. By the end of these steps, you will have successfully installed, customized, and polished a progress bar to track habits effectively using Notion. Don't forget to consistently update your progress bar, as staying engaged with it daily is key to building lasting habits. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found these steps both clear and useful. Good luck with your productivity journey, and see you in the next video.